Hi and hello everyone. This is CA Tarun Jain, and yes, we have again with us CA Tarun Jagdish Sir, and this is a sequel to our previous video, which is on the SFM cracking code. So for those of you who have not seen the video, make sure you see the video, and the link is in the description box. And for this video and for the previous one, you can leave the comments in the comment section below. So starting with this now, the reason why I wanted to make a separate video on this is because I know Sir is a very big visionary. So what I mean, it always puzzles me, like, what are the motivational factors? Who or what motivates you to achieve a goal, or to see a dream? How does that really happen?
Well, for me, one of the most inspirational persons in my life is Arnold Schwarzenegger. All of you must be knowing who is Arnold Schwarzenegger. He was one of the greatest bodybuilders of all time. He became one of the greatest actors of all time, and then he was also the governor of California. In his one life, this person has achieved three great things, and I personally feel that he's one of the most accomplished persons in this world. He has taught me very, very powerful lessons, which I feel that sharing would help everyone. One of the things what I understood about Arnold was that he knew how to succeed. Rather than just winning in one particular field like bodybuilding or only acting, he knew that whatever he takes up, he will win in that. And he had some very basic rules which he used to follow, and which according to me should be followed by everyone to achieve whatever you want. Let it be CA, let it be your business, let it be anything. Rule number one, what he always said was that we should visualize. Unless we see ourselves in the position where we want to reach, it is not possible for us to reach there. You should have a very, very clear picture. Now, when Arnold wanted to become one of the greatest bodybuilders, he had a very clear vision that yes, this is how I should look 2 years down the line. And then once he says that vision is done, the picture is ready, you should write down on a piece of paper what is the result that you want from you. Once you put down the results in a piece of paper, the next step where he goes is writing down what are the inputs which are required to achieve that dream. Now let us say if you are talking about bodybuilding, he would write down that daily I would do 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, etc. This was a very clear checklist of what has to be done so that his dream could become a reality. And then he goes to rule number 4, where he says that work so hard that no one can touch you. If someone used to ask him that, look, we need to take some rest on at least some days like Sundays, Arnold used to reply back that, look, you can take a rest on Sunday, but remember one thing in your mind, that every day that you take rest, there is someone else, somewhere else, who's working harder and who will take over you. So these are the 4 rules which has inspired me very much, and I work in this same manner how the great Arnold does. Rule number 1, visualize. Rule number 2, write down what are the results that you want. Rule number 3, write down the inputs, what needs to be done to achieve those results. And rule number 4, work so hard that no one can ever touch you. I feel if you do this, nothing can stop you, and all your dreams will definitely get fulfilled.
Wow, amazing. I think this is the real secret of success, which I think Sir is following, and he suggests all of us to follow. I really believe in this as well, and I already have a piece of paper with me, so I'm going to write down my so can I call it the visualization statement on
Yes.
my visual board?
Your visualization statement or your own dreams. It is your dreams which is coming on a piece of paper, and that's what makes a very, very big difference.
Great. So all of you who are watching, for whatever is your dream, say for example for CA students, so write a big CA here. You can use the colors which the CA Institute uses, which is the blue and the green. So write a CA and your name, and write pass with whatever percentage you want, or better get a AIR, whichever number, preferably 1. All of you, that's okay. Dream big. You aim at the treetop. You aim at the sky and you reach the treetop. You aim at the treetop and you just will be on the ground. So aim at the sky, AIR 1, CA, whatever is your name, and the ways to achieve it would be
Working
example.
hard. Maybe I can just use one other wonderful wordings which inspired me a lot, and which I used along with the statements of Arnold. These words were said by Swami Vivekananda. Take up one idea, Make that idea your life. Think about it, dream about it, sleep on it. Let your muscles, nerves, every part of your body rest on that idea. Leave all the other ideas alone. This is the only way to succeed.
Oh my god, I'm having goose flesh here. So I am sure following this, at least I'm going to be qualified very, very soon. Thank you so much, sir. With your blessings, I really feel that this would be the secret of success, and I hope it's the same for all of you. So once your exams are over, once your results are out, make sure you come back and comment on this video so that sir can see what have been the results of his secret of success for all of you. So till then, take care, bye, and love for studies.